case study on this fasting syndrome. So, before going to that topic, we have to know what do you mean by the term wasting syndrome. So, it is otherwise known as cachexia. It is a complex metabolic condition that is characterized by significant involuntary loss of body weight, especially muscle mass and fat. So, if you find any person that will be reduced in that muscle mass and fat, you will tell that one because of this wasting syndrome. Okay, so unlike standard weight loss, it is often irreversible through increased calorie intake alone because it changes how the body processes nutrients. So normally if you find a person there is a loss of body weight, it can be easily irreversible by taking more amount of calories. Okay, so it can be irreversible. Yes, Razia, can you able to tell the symptoms of this wasting syndrome?
The symptoms of wasting syndrome, which is most visible syndrome, includes emaciated appearance, which is nothing but the people look very thin, but it also has some internal symptoms which all include muscle atrophy, severe fatigue, loss of appetite, systemic inflammation, anemia and edema.
Okay. Yes, Nandara, can you able to tell the causes of this wasting syndrome?
Causes of fasting syndrome: hypermetabolism, cytokine activity, insulin resistance, others HIV, CHF, congestive heart failure, COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, etc. Tarani, can you explain the treatment of wasting syndrome?
Yes. The treatment of fasting syndromes are hormone therapy, appetite stimulants, nutritional support. Yamana, will you explain the structure and synthesis of testosterone?
This is the structure of testosterone. It is also called as 17 beta hydroxy 4 aldosterone 3 one, because in third position double bond O is present, so it is 3 one, and 4 aldosterone means it is present as 4 hydroxy position. And uses of testosterone are treatment of male hypogonadism, Klinefelter syndrome, aplastic anemia, and as anti-androgens. It is used as alternative to anti-androgens. Synthesis, let us see the synthesis of testosterone. It is synthesized from cholesterol. The cholesterol, which on acetylation, the hydrogen will be replaced by acetyl group, which is called as cholesterol acetate. Then which on bromination, the double bond is broken and bromine is attached. This cholesterol acetate dibromide, which on oxidation, this group will be removed and double bond O will be present, and which on debromination, these two bromines will be removed in the presence of zinc and acetic acid, and now the double bond is formed again. This on hydrolysis, this acetyl group will be removed and hydrogen will be added. This is dehydroepidendro syndrome, which on acetylation, this hydrogen again acetyl group will be attached, which on reduction with sodium and butyl alcohol, this double bond O will be converted into alcohol, which is treated with benzoyl chloride. HCl will be removed and then benzyl group will be attached here. Now this on mild hydrolysis with methanol and sodium hydroxide. This acetyl group will be removed and hydrogen will be reattached. Now which on treatment with aluminium tetrabutoxide, open air oxidation will occur here. Now the double bond will be shifted here and OH group will be converted into ketone. Now which on hydrolysis with potassium hydroxide in the presence of water, benzoic acid will be released with the removal of COCH H5 group, and testosterone will be formed.
So we have seen the drug that is used for the wasting syndrome. There are so many drugs which is used for this wasting syndrome. Apart from this testosterone, one more drug, that is diethylstilbestrol, that is also used for this wasting syndrome. Let us see a recap of this wasting syndrome. Actually, it is otherwise known as cachexia. It is a complex metabolic condition, especially there is a loss of body weight. It is a irreversible one. If you are taking more amount of nutrients, then your energy as well as that body fat will be increased. The main symptoms are muscle atrophy, severe fatigue, loss of appetite, systematic inflammation, anemia, and edema. The main causes for this wasting disease is hypermetabolism. If there is any increased metabolism due to exercise like that, it will cause the wasting disease. Then increase the cytokine activity as well as insulin resistance. That will cause this wasting disease. Apart from this, diseases such as HIV and coronary heart failure and pulmonary disease, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, that will be the causes for this wasting syndrome. How will you treat this wasting disease? By means of hormone therapy. So we have seen this testosterone. Okay, by means of this hormone therapy and by means of appetite stimulant. Some will be feeling there is no appetite. Okay, in order to increase the appetite, we are providing with the appetite stimulants and nutritional supports also. Apart from the appetite stimulants, we are providing some nutritional supplements that will also increase the body weight and it will be used for the wasting disease. So one of the drug that is used for this wasting disease is testosterone. Okay, the starting material for this testosterone is cholesterol. By means of several reactions such as acetylation, bromination, oxidation, debromination, then hydrolysis, followed by acetylation, then treatment with the sodium and butanol, and treatment with the benzyl chloride, and mild hydrolysis, opinure oxidation, and hydrolysis will give our compound testosterone. This testosterone, apart from this, it is also used for treatment of hypogonadism